China Hong Tai International Vehicles Company Limited. The company is mainly engaged in the sale of trucks. The main products include aluminum tank trailers, steel tank trailers, LNG tank trailers, and ISO tanks, concrete mixer trucks, LPG tank trucks, etc. We have a wealth of industry experience and are a reliable supplier. Our associated factory has advanced production equipment and skilled front-line employees. Our company knows that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. The company has established a quality management system that meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System. The company continuously releases the original innovations, according to the market and customer needs, and always maintains the novelty and innovation of the products. The company understands the customer's thoughts and urgency. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers, with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. Our professional R&D team can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. Our company is looking forward to your visit.